All right, so here we have this beautiful one-bedroom apartment, or a very large junior one, however you wish to designate it. This main room is quite humongous, if that's a term I can use. And there is a little pillar in the middle, but I would say this is clearly a dining area here, or you could even put a dining area here, which would be a little closer. Well, the kitchen's over here, so let's say a dining area here. So a few different possibilities in this very large space. Closets that are not that deep in this apartment, but there is a huge walk-in right around the corner here, and you can put your life in there. All kinds of bars, shelves, a very lovely space. Of course, for some reason I'm showing you the bathroom first, but this is what's considered the bedroom. It has some sliding doors, a good amount of light. I believe it looks north. And here is the kitchen. Very modern refrigerator, oven, stainless steel, range, microwave, and dishwasher nicely tucked into the cabinetry. Nice deep sink, window kitchen, window bathroom. A lot of room in the living space, not quite as much in the bedroom, although there are two closets in here. Easily put a queen-size bed and some furniture, maybe even a king-size bed. It's certainly long here, wide enough for any queen bed over there. So that's this one bedroom. Call me Christopher Butt, 917-721-0202. The lead team at Corcoran, 917-721-0202.